What's going on, everybody? This is Maurice Bishop. We actually going to be playing some bullet chess, which is what we're doing. I'm gonna go Bishop C4 because I think it's definitely aggressive and everything. We're gonna go D3. Obviously, I can't cancel king side because he's stopping me from doing that, which is not a problem. Just gonna go here and then probably Bishop E5, uh, which is actually I kind of like actually. And we're gonna go A3 to stop any bishop B4 that he may have, and we'll just go bishop B3 because my dark square bishop is not really doing anything right now, so we can do that. Okay, so we're gonna go rook D1, and then we'll go B3. You know, you gotta protect this B pawn, and then we'll go queen D2. All right, we're just gonna castle. I think there's no harm in this. We'll go H3. And then what we want to do, we want to push D4. I think this is very accurate to play. So we're gonna go queen catches D4, and we'll go E5. I don't see nothing wrong with E5, and we'll go knight E4. We won't have to exchange queens or anything like that. So I think this is pretty. I think this is pretty lovely. So we'll go knight G5. I don't see nothing wrong with this at all. So oh yeah, we'll go C4. Well, we might as well. We'll just go C4 after that. And it's making it a little bit too easy for me actually. So we'll just come here. We do have knight C5 coming in as well. So but we'll go queen catches on G7 check first, and we'll just go knight catches F7, and we'll go. Oh yeah. Alright, we'll go queen F5 check, and we'll take this one off. Actually, maybe not yet. Yeah, we'll take this off anyway. And then we'll go here checkmate. So yeah, that was yeah, that was pretty interesting. Definitely interesting. Alright, so let's go G6, E5, 1987. C6, knight F6, problem, H6, queen C7. We'll go queen D2. He's probably gonna cast a queen side. I'm not surprised. We'll go G4. We want to close this. We definitely want to close this down. Oh, that's was this is very interesting. This is actually very interesting. Get the H file, control the H file, and everything. I'm gonna take the chance to do this. Um, he might be working with something here. I think this is something that he may actually be working with because I think this was actually a pretty good move actually. So I'm gonna just go B5 anyway. So I know what I'm gonna do. Wow, he's probably disconnected, but he's gonna come back on, I believe. Hopefully. Wow. I definitely don't want to win a game like this, but that was unfortunate. I'm gonna definitely analyze that because that was actually pretty interesting. Um, and I don't like to just claim it right over. Well, I guess it really don't matter because that time is like crazy. So yeah, but I'm gonna definitely do some insight on that one because that was actually pretty interesting. Sacrifice that to get to, and I saw that and I was like, that's pretty clever. So I'm gonna definitely do my homework on that. Um, all right, so we're playing FIDE Master. All right, so let's see what he got in store for me. All right, we'll play the Scotch Gambit. Bishop C4. All right, we're gonna go C5, and people always play this. B4 now. Usually, moves like this, I always come here to gain control of. Maybe not like that. I didn't want it like that, but um, we're just gonna go E5, and I'm gonna just go Bishop captures on F7 anyway, and I'm gonna just go Queen C4. So I'm gonna just do this. And I'm gonna go knight captures e5 because I'm threatening knight captures on c6, and he missed it. He thought I was just like playing around, maybe. I don't know what the case may be, but yeah, I do like bishop a3 check. So I always try to find better moves and everything. That's me. So I might as well get everything that I can see. And I was hoping it was going to be like a checkmate somewhere, but I guess I don't see none right now. So I guess I'm going to have to take this off. So yeah, so that's pretty much about it and everything. I hope y'all actually enjoyed that. I'm actually at a cookout, so I'll talk to y'all later. But if y'all like this video, please like, please share, please subscribe. Let me know what y'all think. And again, don't forget to subscribe. All right, y'all. Peace.